to my channel. Right, time to tackle the leaf springs. So I've already started removing the old bushes, except for these leaves. I figured what I'll do is I'll pull them apart first, because it's a lot lighter if I'm just dealing with one leaf rather than dealing with an entire pack. So I've already done one already. So if we have a look over here, and it's actually quite easy. So it's effectively removing these nuts and bolts, keeping the center one pinned still, but just removing these ones. And once we've got all those out of the way, then what I'll do is I'll actually then secure it onto the vise, and using a clamp, as I did with the previous one, kind of sandwich it there in the middle. So I'll just continue taking these nuts and bolts out, and then I'll get back when we're ready to put it into the clamp, into the vise. Right, so I've taken out all those bolts. When you've got separation like this, you need to actually clamp it down, because the bolt will actually be pretty much up against the top leaf there, so it's putting pressure on it when you're trying to take it out. I'm hoping that I'll be able to resolve this issue, but we're not going to know until afterwards. And the idea is, or what I've done beforehand, is I've actually loosened it a bit at a time, so I just didn't go all gung-ho on that. So I would loosen this one here, let this one take the pressure, these two areas here, and then progressively loosen these up as I'm loosening this bolt here. So, except this time, this bolt's actually quite tight. The other one's actually quite easy to remove, so I'll use two hands and I'll come back in a second. Is that I use, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I love using diesel. So I spray diesel in between the leaves, on the actual nuts and bolts, anywhere that I want the rust to kind of dissolve and give way. And a lot of these bolts up here, I was able to get them without snapping the actual bolts themselves. So it's actually been quite good. I mean, you do get the occasional snap one. It's not perfect, but in this particular case, I got them all out without snapping a single one. So I'll keep going. So what I do right at the end here is I keep the bolt or the nut in place, acts as a bit of a security buffer, and now I'm going to start loosening the clamp, the vise, and then I might keep this one here anyway, just for a bit of security. That doesn't hurt being there. So now it's just a matter of slowly releasing the vise until I can see that it's touched there, and hopefully I'll be able to release it completely on the ground. And what I'll do is I'll feel how much pressure there is on that. A little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put another clamp on there, just as a bit of a precaution. Okay. So the idea is I'll be able to completely remove this nut here. That's looking good. Nice and loose. And now slowly releasing this one. And I've got to do the other one still. That one. Patience game with these things. I've already hurt myself today once. I want to do another one. Okay, let's loosen this one up, and then the rest of the leaves can fall off. Okay, and there we go. Check out the crud that's coming in. That's the stuff that's sandwiched between the leaves in there. So what I'll do is I'll take a screwdriver and just gently tap in between each of these leaves to separate them completely. Curiosity, this is the stuff that was sitting between each leaf. So it's just chunks of rust. So I'm going to have to inspect each leaf to make sure it's okay. However, on the first inspection, they look pretty good. I think they'll clean up alright. So, and these ones as well. Alright, I'll leave the video at that. Hopefully you got something out of it. Just exercise caution and safety, of course, when you're doing this. And yeah, obviously things like these nuts and bolts will be replaced with new ones, as will the bushes. But I'll cover all that when I'm doing a reassembly of the leaves. Okay. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching.